In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier invoices, bills and expenses using Xero accounting software in just 5 minutes. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide that will help streamline your financial management process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero accounting software login page. Once you're there, click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you type them correctly to avoid any login issues. Once your credentials are entered, click on Login again to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Xero dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing various features of Xero. Now locate the business menu at the top of the dashboard and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Bills to Pay. Next you'll see a button labelled New Bill on the screen. Click this button to start the process of entering a new bill. This action will redirect you to a form where you'll input the details of the supplier bill you wish to record. The first piece of information you'll need to enter is the supplier's details. If your supplier is already listed in your contacts, you can simply select them from the list. Alternatively, if this is a new supplier, you have the option to add them as a new contact. Accurate supplier details ensure your records are precise and easy to manage. Once you've entered or selected the supplier details, it's time to add a reference for the bill. This reference could be an invoice number or a brief description that helps you identify the transaction later. Additionally, if you have any associated documents such as receipts or invoices, you have the option to upload and attach these files directly to the bill for future reference. Now proceed to enter the items and descriptions related to the bill. Be as detailed as possible to ensure clarity in what the bill covers. After filling out all necessary information, you're given two choices. You can either save the bill as a draft, which is useful if you need to verify details before finalizing, or you can click approve if everything is correct and you're ready to record the transaction. Congratulations! You've now completed the process of recording a supplier invoice, bill, or expense in Xero accounting software. This straightforward procedure will help you keep accurate and up-to-date financial records, an essential part of managing your business's finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out more tutorials for efficient use of your accounting software.